Okay, so today we're going to put the top spring arm assembly back together for the Javelin. Important to note are the teacups, which have been carefully removed, the two little pins which locate the hardened steel O-ring washers. Everything fits in well when you've removed the teacups and removed the little pins. You have to do that first, otherwise you can't put it together without damaging the washers. That is a must. So now that we've done that, what we can do is we can fit the washers and the pins, the little holes for the pins goes at the bottom. You want to get that as close as you can. Same with that one. So now you can fit the swing arm. Now the next most important thing is to make sure you put the swing arm on the right way. Don't put it that way because that's wrong. Put it this way so that the filling point is at the top. Then you can fit the swing arm on the wishbone. Just put a bit of pressure on it. And at the end you can just wiggle it into place with a step punch or something. That's located pretty well. This is just taking a minute. Now, I'm going to get the little holes lined up. Otherwise, you have to pull it across and do it again. And I think I have to pull it across and do it again because I haven't got one anywhere close. So, it's going to come out. So I can just lift it out. That's alright. Not harming anything. Let's try again. So I'll put the T-washers in, the O-ring washers. Make sure it's at the right way. And that looks like it'll go in okay. What about this one? This one's going to go across a little bit. That looks like it'll go in okay. That's good.
Yeah, he's feeling much better.
And next one.
And you might think this is kind of out of character for me, but I think you ought to bring your dog into work with you. You know, while it recovers.
Oh, that's not necessary, sir. He's really doing much better.
Well, good. I'm glad to hear that. Really,
So,
I'd like to meet him.
now that they're in place,
Sir,
oops,
well, couldn't have waited forever.
Sorry, panicked.
A dog? I don't even own a dog. What am I supposed to do?
That was a nice confrontation, huh?
Peace, Kinsey.
What do you got for us? Got some good news and some bad news. Bad news is we still haven't found anything conclusive on the shooters.
And the good news?
Good news is we think we have identified the missing object in question.
It's hard to authenticate without seeing it in person, but we think it could be one of 8 missing decorative eggs that was manufactured for the Russian royal family, which puts the piece's value in millions.
If Mira's the middleman, why try to kill?
I think the more important question is, why come for Arcadia after that?
Unless it was about something more personal.
I follow it. Send that picture to Callan. He's in the direction from here right now. Will do.
We gotta figure out how Katie ties into all this. Where is Katie?
Arcadia is on the deck because the Mira was having lovely things at each other, and they need to learn to eat.
Miroslava. You wanna tell me what you were doing with us on that boat yesterday?
You must have me mistaken for someone else. I've never seen that before.
Really? Because the surveillance footage would say otherwise.
What do you want?
That boat you were conducting unsanctioned sales on yesterday, it's registered in Arcadie's name. Why is that?
No idea. Perhaps you should ask Mr. Smirnoff himself.
I did, and he didn't know either. So I guess I'll just contact the DOJ and see if the task force klepto capture has any interest in this Russian gun.
Okay. It's my boat.
I'm listening.
Arcady is my du jour business partner. I've been putting his name on everything from block boxes to condos from here to Cape Town.
Arcady was attacked this morning. Most likely because he against the road with the two were in business together. That little stunt of yours almost got him killed.
Admittedly, it's nice
The fake career that you created for him? Those men are still out there.
as far as they're concerned. What do I care?
Because they're still after Arcady. This may be over for you, but he's in danger.
And I suppose he's helped me make a lot of money. Some money. Completely legal money. In Colombia. These men. Many clients. I never met the buyer.
okay, that one's in.
But since
I can just
I didn't get
tap it in a fraction more.
Your offense, why would you need an action house?
Antiquities require a zeal of care. You can't just expect the Vinci's Codex Leicester to survive. Storage locker.
Were they the ones that knew about the store?
Then, and of course, the seller, Lexi Pasternak. You are very motivated. Wanted to move the piece fast.
So that's what you cash in really quickly.
And if you want my opinion, moving fast is equivalent to a discount in the millions. This is the thing. That means there's something wrong with your seller.
Yo, Potter.
Hey, you got anything?
Thanks to our girl Mira, I was able to track down passenger or OG item. Get this, he just died 3 days ago.
What?
Yeah, he threw himself through a closed glass window on the 12th floor of a condo complex. Please tell me how that's possible.
Okay, another suspicious death? That's like what happened on the boat this morning.
Yeah, Yeah. I'm starting to think this isn't just some dark coincidence.
Actually, I think it's a pattern. Check this out.
Now
Of all the private jets that left Russia
that's
on
all
the
lined up.
22nd,
We can put the
now
tea
this
washers in.
is all of the private jets that left on the 24th, the day of the Ukraine invasion.
First time before, all these billionaires taking their money and running all over the world, including LA.
This is where it gets real interesting. Out of all the oligarchs that ran on the 24th, more than half have faced unclaimed debts within a year. Half. Honestly, this reminds me of something. Do you remember that rogue group? What happened to all those frontline workers in China when they tried to blow the whistle on COVID-19?
New hospital windows are so dangerous.
Yeah, they're doing their own dirty work.
I'm calling Alan.
That's the passenger dead. Fell out of the 12-story window.
That is why I am a
Now
ground floor kind of gal.
the last thing we'll do,
All international. You're honest. International banks keep the code.
You said he was trying to sell it fast and using cash. Who's he trying to get away from?
The Muslims believe that the Russian government has siphoned money towards party members. Oligarchs whose loyalty has been bought. Or so they thought.
let's gently do it up so that the tea nuts will be pulled into place. The tea washers will be pulled into place.
Which is
Living, breathing fund for the government to hide wealth. And those whose loyalties are in question,
it's time to make her going. Why are they after our kids? Not all black.
no. But he is the head of my operation.
And they didn't have to yield that part to your kids. Liquidating Pasternak's assets before they could collect on them.
Among others.
Am I getting this right in saying that someone within Russia is putting a hit on their own oligarchs?
So party members work for a few years knowing those funds are reclaimable, right? And then once those blood banks die, private estate reverts back to the mother.
And so if that was happening to several of Mira's clients, who was going to hit on her too? And she was liquidating the target's assets.
Ultimately stealing funds from the national nest egg.
Falcon's theory is right. That these recent suspicious deaths are actually murders.
All of it, moving the bodies, passing taking the header off the 12th floor. I mean, all of it was set up to hide what was really happening.
These tea maps show that this is not just isolated to LA. This is happening all over the world.
This is so much bigger than we thought.
And there it is. Now, it's a really nice feel because it's got the O-rings in it, which prevent the inflow, stop it going clock, clock, clock. And it's tight and it feels lovely. So that's one done.